How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone Pro. To turn on screen mirroring on an iPhone, start by opening the Settings app. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and that you're connected to a network. Then, go to Bluetooth and turn it on. There's no need to pair anything, just ensure it's active. Next, return to the main settings page, scroll down to General, then tap AirPlay and Continuity. Under Automatically AirPlay, select either Automatic or Ask. Once that's set, head back to your home screen and swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the screen mirroring icon. It looks like a rectangle with an arrow pointing into it. A list of available devices should appear, such as your TV or laptop. If nothing shows up, double-check that your other device is on the same Wi-Fi network and has Bluetooth turned on. Some screens may also require pressing a setup button or enabling a pairing mode before they appear. Once your device shows up, tap to connect. And that's it. Screen mirroring is live. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.